There was an article published not too long ago in the Jamaica Observer, and it read, "A compound Chief Currie in breach of Firearms Act." Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, Shane Darling, has said that Richard Currie, colonel of the compound Maroon in St. Elizabeth, has been found to be in breach of the nation's Firearm Act. Now, people, when it been known say the government and Richard Currie are go back and forth for the last couple weeks, or I should say even couple months, you know. Yeah, they are been going back at it on social media. Now, this release, I think, now a statement like this wasn't taken with a grain of salt by a lot of from members of the public. And we see Buju Banton came out and did a video about it. Now, people, we are going to watch this video ourselves.
Greetings, people of the world. This is Buju Banton, the first and original Maroon. Buju means breadfruit in a Maroon language. In most recent times, like today, the Jamaica Observer published an article stating that the Maroon chief is in breach of the Jamaica Firearms Act, which we clearly see as a blatant ploy by the Jamaican crime minister to hurt this young man and hurt many of us who stand up and see the blatant wickedness and criminality being perpetrated by the Jamaican politicians and the Jamaican populace. Here in Jamaica, the criminals have more guns than the legal, lawful people in this country. The criminals run around one time. We have police criminal, soldier criminal, all kind of criminal. And our crime minister's friends are the biggest criminal, and they have all the guns in this country. So when you want to label a chief as having an illegal weapon because you want to destroy him and destroy his credibility, yes, it is not right. I want the world to keep a close look at this, because you see that our crime minister has just tried to pass a legislation that illegal firearm holders, the people who have a legal gun, them get life in prison, or them for kill them on spot. We don't put anything past these criminals. So therefore, they are the real criminals who are running this country with a criminal grip, because they are criminal masterminds. And this is another ploy with criminal intent to hurt another citizen of this country. And we're putting it on blast. Thank you.
So that's what Buju Banton had to say. I don't have much to comment about this. Is one thing me I gotta say still. When we know say the crime rate in Jamaica gone sky high, right? And we been see the government that try, you know, I try to do some other unorthodox stuff. If you try curve the crime something there. One of the proposal was for persons caught with an illegal firearm to spend, I think they want to put it life, as Buju say. I'm not sure. You know, I'm not too going at the politics, but they want to increase the sentences. Because as it is now, it's on the discretion of the judge. So a man can get catch with a gun and just go spend a little year on probation, or 5 years or so. You see me? So they want to raise it to, I think it was 15 years, you know. I'm not sure, but people in the comment section just correct me if I'm wrong. Now, Buju Banton, not much to say on the topic here. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Big up Buju Banton, big up the government of Jamaica, and big up Chief Currie. Yeah, I do a great work. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram. People, if you want to watch this on Instagram, check out my other platforms. If you are watching on Instagram, look in my description, sign out to my newsletter. Look in the description, click the links. If anyway I watch one, I have a link tree down below. Check out my merch, check out where me up to. Alright? We're gone. One way. Any other way? Wrong way.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.